I made something for Drake. Now, I know he's not gonna respond, so I'm gonna give this away to one of you. All you have to do is comment the goat emoji and like this video, and the winner only has to pay for shipping. I don't wanna take too much time away from you, so here's the video. We are going to need the colors white, black, and red. I didn't realize I had an off-white. Okay. Well, I have this white, I have two other whites here, and more white. So then we have black. We're gonna need a lot of black for this background over here. And this is what we have left. So I'm gonna have to go and grab some. And then we just need red as well, which is in another basket. So we'll be back. All right, now we have the red and the black, and guess where we got it? Ah, yes, Joann's. Joann's, please sponsor me. Now we should be good. We have all the colors. I think we have more than enough for everything. Let's get started. By the way, I don't know if I told you guys this, but I turned the speed up just now. Well, not just now. It's just long lines going vertical, so I want to do it a bit faster rather than the slower setting. But once I get back into the smaller details, like the red, that's when I'm gonna turn the speed back down. All right, so now this is finished. It feels full on the back, and then we just need to detail this a little bit with scissors, but I'll do that after I glue it. I know last video you guys told me that I should get a actual mask for it. It is coming in, so I have to finish this though, so I'm gonna put this on and then I'll open the window like normal. But I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who actually genuinely cares about, you know, just my well-being. I love you guys. All right. Just in case. It seems to be dry, still a little tacky as well, so that's pretty good. We'll just cut this now. I bet y'all never seen this before.
So we switched to tie-free and
If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to enter in the giveaway. Also, if you guys are new to tufting and want to learn how to do it, this is the perfect video for you. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.